Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. Today we're going to show you how to easily log in to your Busey Bank account. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Busey Bank website. You can do this by typing busey.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you are on the home page, look to the left hand side. Look to the left hand side of the screen. You can choose your login option by clicking on this drop-down menu. Now enter your username and click on login button. After that, type in your password. Make sure to enter these details correctly to avoid any login issues. After that, click on sign in button. You will be now logged into your Busey Bank account. From here, you can manage your accounts, transfer funds, pay bills and much more. If you have any trouble logging in, make sure to double check your username and password. If you have forgotten your password, you can use the forgot link to reset it. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.